Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're putting two sky-high contenders head-to-head, the TENSSENX GPS drone and the Holystone GPS drone HS360S. So, buckle up, or should I say, propeller up. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty and see which drone deserves to take off with your hard-earned cash. First up, we've got the TENSSENX coming in at a sweet $169. And on the right, the Holystone is flying a bit higher at $209. So if you're like me and your wallet is on a diet, TENSSENX might already be winning your heart. But hold on, folks. We've got a lot more sky to cover. The TENSSENX boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like having a tiny professional photographer in the sky. But wait, Holystone isn't backing down. It's packing a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. Sounds fancy, doesn't it? Galaxy Core sensor? Is that from a Star Wars movie? Anyway, both claim to give you stunning visuals, but Holystone's Galaxy Core might just take the cake, or the Starship. Reviewers mention that both drones offer excellent camera quality, but some find the Holystone's camera to be slightly superior due to its Galaxy Core sensor. TENSSENX offers you up to 52 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. That's almost an hour of pretending you're a pilot. Holystone, on the other hand, gives you 20 minutes per battery. So if math isn't your strong suit, that's 40 minutes with 2 batteries. If you're planning to film a Hollywood blockbuster, TENSSENX might be your go-to. But for those quick Instagram stories, Holystone's flight time should suffice. Reviewers have praised TENSSENX for its longer flight duration, making it ideal for extended use. TENSSENX comes with GPS auto return. It's like a drone with separation anxiety. It'll always come back to you when it loses signal or power. Holystone also has a powerful GPS function, ensuring it finds its way back home when the battery runs low or connection breaks. So both drones are like loyal pets. They'll never run away, unless you're really bad at flying them. Reviewers appreciate the reliability of both drones' return home functions, making them both great choices for beginners. TENSSENX is designed for beginners with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing. Plus, it's foldable and comes with a carrying case. Holystone also caters to novices with its upgraded control system, beginner mode, and optical flow positioning. It's lightweight and doesn't require FAA registration, making it hassle-free. So if you're a drone flying newbie or just someone who loses things easily, both drones have got your back. But with TENSSENX, you get a stylish carrying case. It's like the Gucci of drone accessories. Reviewers highlight the user-friendly nature of both drones, though they appreciate the additional accessories included with TENSSENX. TENSSENX can trace and follow you, fly along a set path, or orbit around you. It even takes photos when you pose. Basically, it's like having a personal paparazzi. Holystone, however, takes it up a notch with functions like spiral up, catapult, and one-tap ascension. It's like a drone with a PhD in cinematography. So if you want to feel like a celebrity, TENSSENX is your guy. But if you're aiming for an Oscar, Holystone might just be your director. Reviewers appreciate the advanced intelligent features of both drones, with a slight edge given to Holystone for its unique functions. Reviewers find the TENSSENX GPS drone to be an excellent option for beginners, highlighting its affordability, extended flight time, and user-friendly features. On the other hand, the Holystone GPS drone HS360S is praised for its superior camera quality, advanced intelligent functions, and stable flight performance, making it a great choice for both beginners and more experienced pilots. There you have it, folks. The TENSSENX and Holy Stone drones both bring a lot to the table, or should I say, to the sky. Whether you're on a budget or looking for some Hollywood-grade features, there's a drone for you. So which one's going to make your aerial dreams come true? Drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a sky-high episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.